Mr. Sanjay has come for the second time. So it's such a pleasure having you all here. And like I just saw earlier, that this was a social platform for people to get to meet each other while we are in a lockdown. So I hope that all of you are safe in your houses. And though we are under lockdown, but we all are doing things which, keep us going and keep us happy and positive. And from Mo TV, it is our endeavor to make sure that, whatever little bit that we can do for you by having these shows, whether it's the physiotherapist, whether it's a doctor's talk, or it is the dietitian session and the entertainment that we have, there is something, that you can do at home and keep yourself occupied over and above the other entertainments that we have here, right? So once again, it's a pleasure to have you all here on Mo TV.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome.
Thank you.
It is our pleasure to have you all here, and it's such a pleasure that we can connect to you and see you on TV, on this video channel. And despite a lockdown, we feel that there is still a connect. And whoever have been coming regularly, Mona Auntie has been coming, Mrs. Neelam has been joining us regularly. So slowly, we all are like kind of, Mr. and Mrs. Parvinder have been here, Puri, they all have been, a part of us growing. And Mr. and Mrs. Arun Rai have also joined us. So a very warm welcome to you too. And हम हमेशा प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें करते रहते हैं. एंड इमोहा का एंडेवर रहता है कि हम आपको बहुत प्यार दें, एंड हमें आप लोगों से जो प्यार मिलता है, that is something which we cannot even describe. एंड आज का हमने सेशन भी रखा है दास्ताने मोहब्बत.
Great.
सो मोहब्बत एक ऐसी चीज है जो आई थिंक हम हमेशा अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी जिंदगी में इसकी ख्वाहिश करते रहते हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी एक ऐसी मोहब्बत हो, किसी भी तरह से वो हो, किसी भी चीज से हो, किसी भी इंसान से हो, बट एक पैशन हो, एंड इन रिलेशनशिप्स वी वांट दैट लव टू बी देयर. सो इस मोहब्बत की ख्वाहिश तो हर किसी को रहती है, किसी को मिलती है और किसी की ख्वाहिश रह जाती है, बट किसी न किसी प्रकार में मोहब्बत हमारी लाइफ में हर तरह से होती है. एंड अगर हम अपने if we look back, then I think there are a lot of things which will come to the fore. When we were young, we had our crushes. Then when we got married, whether it was a love marriage, whether it was an arranged marriage, तो कहीं ना कहीं पे हम लोगों ने ये प्यार जगाया है एक दूसरे के लिए अपने रिलेशनशिप्स में, लोगों से हमारे आसपास. बट आज मैं बात कर रही हूँ उस मोहब्बत की जो हम अपने स्पाउसेस से या अपने उनसे करते हैं, जो हमारे लिए बहुत स्पेशल होते हैं. सो इनफैक्ट whenever we talk of mohabbat, we talk of Romeo Juliet, we talk of Heer Ranjha, we talk of Shiri Farhad, we talk of Mirza Sahiba. And even in our Bollywood, we have a lot of these people जिनकी कहानी बहुत ही अमर हो गई है, like धर्मेंद्र, हेमा मालिनी, काजोल, अजय देवगन. In fact, my hot favorite is Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone. I love the way Ranveer Singh is always flamboyant about his love for his wife. So, in fact, आप लोग बताइए, आपको किसी का ऐसे कोई बहुत ही स्पेशल किसी का याद हो, ऐसे किसी की दास्ताने मोहब्बत जो आपको याद आती है कि इसकी कहानी बहुत, चाहे वो बॉलीवुड में हो, चाहे वो कोई सेलिब्रिटी हो, चाहे आपके आसपास हो, या अपनी ही एक मोहब्बत की कहानी है हम सबकी. तो आज मैं सबसे उनकी मोहब्बत की कहानी आज सुनना चाहूंगी. So I'm going to involve all of you today, and don't run away. Nobody's allowed to go now.
Ritu, I would suggest let us start with the song and then one by one.
नहीं, of course. But अभी तो मैं यही पूछ रही हूँ कि आपके favorite कोई, अगर मैं couple के बारे में पूछूं तो who will be that favorite couple when we talk of मोहब्बत e दास्तान, when we think of some love story. किसी का कोई फेवरेट नहीं है?
मुझे तो अमिताभ बच्चन और जया बच्चन जो है
हाँ जी।
ये थोड़ा ज्यादा फेवरेट रहता है राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट।
आई थिंक सिंसेरिटी के हिसाब से मेरे ख्याल सुनील दत्त एंड नरगिस वाज द
Of course, yes, that was a very, very, very
because he
popular
saved
jodi
her and then
in the fire.
and
Yes,
of course
yes, that is
Dilip
how they
Kumar
fell in
Saira
love.
Banu.
Saira
Saira
Banu,
Banu.
very true.
Shall I?
So, अब मैं सबसे एक एक करके इसके बाद में पूछूंगी। इसके पहले मैं मिस्टर भामरी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी। ही इज अ वंडरफुल सिंगर एंड इनफैक्ट मैं आपको इनकी एक बहुत पर्सनल सी बात बताती हूँ that whenever we ask him to sing, the first song that he sings with a lot of emotions is a song for his wife. कोई guess कर सकता है which song it would be? The most popular song, most of the husbands sing. Mr. Sanjay and Mona ji, आप नहीं बोल सकते। Mr. Ram, कोई एक सॉन्ग जो अपनी वाइफ के लिए लोग गाते हैं हमेशा। इनका हॉट फेवरेट है ये and he sings it standing in front of his wife, not actually goes down on his knees even today, you know.
तो बहुत अच्छा हिंट दे दिया आपने।
दे दिया ना बिल्कुल। इनका हॉट फेवरेट है मेरी ज़ोहर ज़बी।
Yes.
एंड ये हमेशा अपनी वाइफ के लिए गाते हैं एंड इनको जब हम देखते हैं तो वी ऑलवेज फील आई विश आवर हस्बैंड्स डू दैट फॉर अस, यू नो।
And that too, he does it with actions and all.
Absolutely. So I'm going to have Mr. Bhamri here singing a song for you. I don't know which one he's starting off with, but in between he's definitely
I'm
either he's starting with
my favorite actor is Devanand.
Okay.
So I'm starting with Devanand song.
Chalo, great. But you have to sing Meri Zohar Zabi with the full actions also later on.
Sure,
Okay?
sure.
Action
Right.
Sure. Okay, I'm starting.
Here we have Mr. Bhamri with one of his favorite songs of
हम है राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए। हम है राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए। हम है राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए। हम उसी के हो लिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए। दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल। दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल। हमने हर तरह के फूल हार में पिरो लिए। हमने हर तरह के फूल हार में पिरो लिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए। हम उसी के हो लिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए। धूप थी नसीब में, धूप में लिया है दम। धूप थी नसीब में तो धूप में लिया है दम। चांदनी मिली तो हम चांदनी में सो लिए। चांदनी मिली तो हम चांदनी में सो लिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए। हम उसी के हो लिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए। दिल पे आसुरा किए हम तो बस यूं ही जिए, पे आसरा किए हम तो बस यूं ही जिए, एक कदम पे हंस लिए एक कदम पे रो लिए, एक कदम पे हंस लिए एक कदम पे रो लिए, जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए, हम उसी के हो लिए, जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए।
Thank you so much. That was so fantastic. And bilkul in theme with our topic of Mohabbat-e-Dastan, right?
नहीं जो थोड़ी सी
So thank you so much, Mr. Bhamri. I'm sure all of you enjoyed that song.
Same here.
And
Thank
in
you
fact,
very much for patient hearing.
दूर तो बाहर
a
गया तो
pleasure. And in fact, let me ask you, आपने इतना अच्छा गाना गाया, all full of मोहब्बत. तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि and what emotion, Mr. Bhamri.
Yeah.
ऐसे अगर आपने इतना सुंदर गाना गाया तो मैं आपसे पूछा, आप पहली बार मिसेस भामरी से मिले, ये आपकी दास्तान मोहब्बत है ये, कि जब आप पहली बार मिसेस भामरी से मिले तो कहाँ कब और कैसे मिले, and you could just describe your feeling about it.
Yeah, sure. I met her first in Connaught Place. There is a very famous coffee house called by.
आपकी लव मैरिज हुई कि अरेंज्ड मैरिज?
हाँ, it's arranged marriage.
Okay, so after arranged marriage, तब आप first time मिले, okay.
Gaylord में मिले, and there was a couple who introduced to her through her sister and brother-in-law. We were known to both couples were known to us. So it was a chit chat, and hardly we could.
Love at first sight?
Yeah.
Love at first sight?
Yeah.
Great. And what about you, Mrs. Bhamri? Love at first sight?
Kind of.
So, and he's still so very madly in love with you till date.
Yes, sure, of course. Yeah.
So how wonderful.
Yes.
The love has only grown over the years.
Yeah.
Great, wonderful. So anything else that you would like to, any special thing that you would like to talk about, Auntie?
Only I was I was in a sales profession, and it used to be like arranging parties in the evening. I was a master of ceremonies, and she has been very, very cooperative throughout. And even once I left drinks 30 years before, and till today I'm not having any drinks and all that, still she is cooperating with me like anything.
Even though you're not having drinks. That's a nice one. Normally wives कहती होती है कि drink पीना छोड़ दो, आप कह रहे हो कि अगर आप नहीं पी रहे तो भी she's cooperating.
Yeah.
Now he's very much in bhakti, this thing, Krishna consciousness, no?
Okay.
So,
I know he is.
so that also, I am also convinced to that. That is why.
Great, wonderful. I think you're one of the most compatible
But first
couples.
he was first impressed.
Actually, nothing stops you if you start loving anybody from the core of your heart.
Very true. Very true.
Hello?
I think we just have to accept each other, and that is how the love just grows. The moment we try and change another person, there are a lot of issues in between. So I think that's something which we all need to do. Once we fall in love, we just have to accept each other. So beautiful. So carrying on then, I'll also go to Urmi ji, who's here with us, and she's also going to sing a song for us. Mrs. Urmi, are you there? I think there's a little bit of a network issue here. Mrs. Urmi, are you there? No, okay. So anyway, till she comes back online, let me just ask Mr. and Mrs. Parvinder, आपकी दास्तान मोहब्बत.
On screen. Hello.
Gaurav, please bring on the screen.
Okay जी, okay.
Yeah, we do. नहीं तो आप करेंगे.
नहीं, this Gaurav will do, I think. Mr. and Mrs. Parvinder?
I think they are
was in
mute.
Spain.
Yeah,
So there was not much chance.
Sorry?
Only whenever he could come on land.
Sorry, auntie, आपकी थोड़ा सा stuck हो गया. I think you'll just have to repeat yourself. आपकी दास्तान मोहब्बत क्या थी?
No?
और आप भी, हाँ जी.
Yes, there
आपकी
was
पहले
nothing special. I told you there was nothing special, but ours was arranged marriage, and it increased, love increased only with the time.
How sweet. तो आप पहले बताइए, अंकल की कौन सी चीज आपको सबसे ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट करती है?
हमारी फोटो कहाँ आ रही है?
हाँ, आ रहा है.
अंकल कहाँ है? Uncle is missing in such an important
Yes,
topic.
today he is missing. He is not here. He is busy with some other work.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो आप बताइए, आपको सबसे ज्यादा अंकल की कौन सी चीज अट्रैक्ट करती है? पहले भी और आज भी?
I like his personality.
Okay, wow. Hi, Naveen.
Yeah.
My Masi ji is here. That's why.
That's why Ram is here.
Yes.
अरे आगे ऊपर को.
चलो चलो तुम करो अपना प्रोग्राम. Bye.
Hi, bye. Bye.
Okay. It was good to see Navdeep there for a very short while. But we are still on to you, Mrs. Ravinder.
Yes.
You said his personality.
Yes.
And चलिए आप मुझे ये सोच के बताइए, आपने सबसे पहले कौन सी मूवी थी जो एक साथ देखी थी, अगर आपको याद हो तो?
You will laugh at the name of the movie. After the marriage, the first movie we saw was क्या वो पानी क्या था? Something to do with the, I mean, घर. I don't remember the name.
कोई हॉरर पिक्चर तो नहीं दिखाई थी ना
नहीं, it
अंकल?
was not horror, but it was क्या घरेलू जो मूवी जैसी होती है ना.
Okay,
Because he was in a small place. He was not in Delhi. He was in a small place. So जो भी वहाँ पिक्चर लगी थी वो थी, and it was आपने दिखा दिया मेरे को. I was with that movie one.
तो उसके बाद से इसीलिए आप दोनों आजकल मूवीज नहीं देखते हैं ज्यादा, राइट? As you said earlier.
Yeah.
All right.
Right.
All right, moving on. I think Urmi ji is still not back with us. So, Mr. Sanjay, what about you? Can I request you to sing a song for us?
Yeah, certainly. I'll certainly sing a song. But as we were discussing about the couples you were mentioning, na, I am mostly inspired by the love and affection what I saw. Normally, as regards to the movie artists and all, that is a momentary thing. These are a thing of small spans and all. But the time that I spent with my family, means my father and mother, the kind of love, means the fighting was there, the love was there, everything was there. That always inspires me a lot. And apart from others, I actually love the kind of bonding what was there in between these two people, my father and my mother. My father is no more, by the way.
Oh boy.
And the song that I have actually selected, this is the one which he used to sing for my mother. Hame tumse pyar kitna.
How sweet is that? We would love to hear it.
And meanwhile, I have also set up my studio out here. So I'll try to play. I'll see. But so no, you'll have to spare only a 10 seconds, rather 15 seconds.
Sure. But this is so wonderful to hear. And I think all of us do look at the way our parents have been, with each other.
Yes, they are my only inspiration in overall, rather.
Thank you. But now, earlier, men used to be very scared of showing their emotions or doing things. But now I see, the young boys and all who are really out there trying to, be very romantic, very loving, very caring.
Topic is so interesting and Mr. Govinder Singh is missing.
तब तक जब तक वो अपना स्टूडियो सेटअप करते हैं तब तक
Yes,
let me just
yes,
speak
please.
to Mrs. Mehta in the meantime. Mrs. Mehta, can you hear me?
हाँ या
तो ये मैं आपकी दास्तान मोहब्बत पूछ रही हूँ कि आपको कोई ऐसी बात अपनी वेडिंग की याद है जो आज तक आपके दिमाग में बिल्कुल फ्रेश है? आई एम श्योर पूरी शादी वैसे फ्रेश होगी, बट कुछ एक इंसिडेंट है जो कि
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है, बस हमारी भी अरेंज मैरिज थी और इट वाज सो सडन एंड फास्ट। मैंने एमए करा था, उसके बाद से मिली थी, तो देन इस टाइम कोई डिसाइड नहीं हुआ था। जून 65 में, एंड देन मैं कानपुर चली गई थी कि ठीक है, बट ही केम फ्रॉम अमेरिका, सो आई वाज नॉट थिंकिंग दैट फ्रॉम
पास कर रहे
it will work out. So I just take forward. Then suddenly, 5 days before, on 17th, I got a telegram from my father that marriage is fixed to come back.
Oh my God! Oh God!
So I just came back, and then we just got married in June.
All right. तो आपने 5 दिन में बिल्कुल शादी करी?
हाँ.
And but I'm sure it's been a beautiful journey.
He has to go back to America. He has to go back to America also. He just finished his PhD in physics. After that, in November, we both went to America, and then we were there for 5 years. My elder son was born there in Rochester, New York, and then we came back to IIT Delhi. He got the job as a professor. So that's all. We came in 70s.
I'm sure it's been a beautiful, beautiful journey. And
yeah, we had a good time in IIT, and then all that is good. But only thing is now he's a little bit memory problem. So I have to deal.
I know. But then I think we just have to carry on. But you were very tough, very brave. So we look up to you. So I'm sure things will work out in whichever manner they have to. So
Imoha is really giving us, really good.
Thank you so much. And you've been a part of us, and you're very special to us. So, and we are always there. Imoha just stands right next to the elders.
Yeah.
तो चलिए इसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए दास्तान मोहब्बत. Okay, Mr. Badri is ready, so we'll hear his song first.
ये हम नहीं जानते, मर नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हमें तुमसे प्यार किया ये हम नहीं जानते, अगर भी
Am I audible?
Yes. But you just have to be nearer to the mic. Yes, you are. You just have to be a little nearer to the mic.
Okay.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chaudhary. It is really wonderful. Of course, network थोड़ा सा issue हो जाता है, but it was a beautiful, beautiful song, and I'm sure everyone enjoyed it.
So nice. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. And मैं next मैं let me just see who's there with us. Mr. Roy. ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन नहीं
Yes,
करूं,
tell me.
राइट? तो सर अब आप बताइए कि कोई ऐसी चीज जो आंटी ने आपके लिए बहुत स्पेशल कोई चीज करी हो जो आप हमेशा बहुत स्पेशली याद करते हैं कि शी डिड दिस फॉर मी. I'm sure she's done a lot of things, but hello. Mr. Roy, can you hear me?
हाँ, tell me.
Mr. Roy, I said ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन नहीं करूं, right? So tell me some special thing that auntie has been doing for you, which though you've never told her, but something which really makes you feel very special and you really enjoy her pampering you with some particular thing that she does for you. बहुत सारी चीजें आंटी ने करी होंगी वैसे, but
she's done so many.
I know you have always appreciated auntie and you've always talked very highly about her. But कोई ऐसी कोई जो बहुत सीरियसनेस में नहीं, पर जो उनकी छोटी सी कोई हरकत हो, छोटी सी चीजें जो आपके लिए स्पेशल, loving things that she would do for you.
क्या बोलो?
अच्छा, कोई मेमोरेबल मोमेंट आप बता दीजिए जो आप कभी भूल नहीं सकते.
No, actually, I was spending, several hours in office, but she never sort of, showed me any kind of anger or anything, anytime.
सर आपकी आवाज इको हो रही है, वॉइस.
Yeah, that's the problem. So So
Bengali, Arun Kumar Roy. Bora. ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, is it okay?
हाँ जी, much better, yes.
Yeah. You see, when we got married, and then, you know, first my two children were born, they were twins. And those days I was Somajit, my twins Somajit and Jagyashini. Somajit, all of you know. And well, those days I was extremely busy with my two foreign projects, one in Yugoslavia, one in Bangkok, and for Usha Martin Industries, setting up huge factories for them. And I was busy, you know, right in the morning I used to go out, and night I don't know when I used to come. But every time I come here, she never showed any irritation, anything, you know, like that she had to handle the twin. And I came, and many times what happened, somebody had fever or Jagashani had fever or something. So I expected that I'll get a sleep, but then this never happened. And once I remember, just after her marriage, when she was doing her MSc, and she used to be in Calcutta, and I was staying in Jamshedpur. And then I was working on an important project, and every day I was getting late, and she only came for 3 days to Jamshedpur, you know, to be with me during her college holidays. And then first day I told her that, well, we'll go to Bishnupur for seeing some movie. But I missed it because I was working in office. It was a very important project where Telco was facing problem of an excavator, and I was busy on that. And then second day, same happened. The third day was there, she was going out. The third day also I missed the thing. I was very afraid going home. So then I told my boss, Mr. Shom, he was an extremely nice person. He used to look like his younger brother. And I told him, एक बार जाके घर पे बोल दीजिए हम आने वाले हैं अभी, you know. And Mr. Shom went to my house, and it was a scene. Of course, I only came to know later that he was a very senior man. He was almost, you know, 4th or 5th level in Telco's hierarchy. And when he came to my house, I am told she never allowed him to come inside, and then told him, so now you are enjoying life, and he is just there in the office. And next day, what happened when I went to, and when I came home, she never talked anything with me. And then, of course, gave my food and all that without that problem. But then the next day when I went to office, he says, Roy, तुम्हारा घर पे हम कभी नहीं जाएंगे. तुम घर पे एक बाघिनी रख दिए. बाघिनी, you know, बाघिनी is tigress. Okay, तुम घर पे एक बाघिनी रख दिए हो. हम तुम्हारे घर पे आपको कभी नहीं जाएंगे. So that was a thing I remember.
So you saw a fiery side of her which you had not seen earlier because she never said anything to you, right? So, but I'm sure all the wives are like that. No matter how much they, someday they do stand up. So, you know, like, you know, suddenly that true form comes in picture. So, with the rest of the time, Anji. So thank you for sharing that. And Mr. Bhamri, can we have one more song from you now before I go on to my next question?
Mr. Bhamri, it's just coming. Just coming.
Okay. So in the meantime, then let me ask Colonel. Mr. Gopani, good to see you here.
मोना जी क्यों नहीं गा रही?
अभी गाएंगी, वो भी गाएंगी अभी.
भी आई कि नहीं लाइन पे?
Okay, is Colonel Puri there? Colonel Puri? No, he is not. Okay, no, there he is. Colonel Puri, till he is fixing up his song. So let me ask you also to share your. Hanji, good evening, Colonel Puri. I said till Mr. Bhamri sets up his song. So let us hear your take on your Dastane Mohabbat. You can just tell us about, you know, a little bit about your marriage and about your children, you know, your grandchildren, of how it has been with them and how life has been.
रितु, अभी तो मैं फिलहाल अकेला हूँ. There is no one to, you know, probably.
I know that, but we like to, you know, I'm aware of.
तो मेरा कोई साइड देने वाला तो कोई नहीं, but certainly जब मेरी मैरिज हुई थी, it was during the year 1971. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
71 में मैरिज हुआ था, तो उस टाइम पे मेरी पोस्टिंग थी कुछ सेमी फील्ड एरिया में जहाँ पे फैमिलीज कुछ अलाउ होती थी. तो मेरे कमांडिंग ऑफिसर ने मेरे को परमिशन दे दी कि आप आ जाओ, दो एकोमोडेशन इज नॉट अवेलेबल. दे गेव मी ए टेंट, मी एंड माय वाइफ, यू नो, वी न्यूली मैरिड, एंड वी डिसाइडेड ओके वी विल हैव लिटिल नो एडवेंचरस टाइम, और अपना टेंट में जो है अपना हनीमूनिंग जो है करते हैं.
I can understand that completely.
Or you believe it or not, the very first night there was so much of rain and storm. हमारे टेंट के अंदर से मतलब हल्का हल्का पानी भी मतलब जो आना शुरू हो गया. But it became such an interesting or such a romantic, you know, the life in the tent, which I really cannot forget at this moment also. And she became so bold thereafter, and till the time she was there with me, and we continue to have a very, very easy time going on with her being very bold in taking various decisions and matters there. So I think I just cannot forget her. She still comes in my mind every now and then.
Obviously,
and we remember the time that we spent all the time together there.
I know. Thank you for sharing those memories with us, Colonel Puri. I know it's you miss her a lot, but we can always think of all the good memories that, you know, and the good life that you've had with her.
And that is the one which is you know, keeping us alive and active throughout the time there.
Right. So, thank you for sharing that with us. In fact, I'll also tell you, Colonel Puri is from the army, and I can completely understand what he's talking about. पहले बादशाहs होते थे and tents होते थे. Proper घर semi field areas में नहीं होते थे. Even my parents have literally stayed in tents. You know, एक तंबू गड़ा होता था, सबको एक घर मिला होता था. So, a lot of people, you know, when they would get married, they would go and stay there. So, but then they found enjoyment and happiness in that kind of life also. And it kind of made the bond become stronger, because it's not so very easy to, you know, live in that kind of environment. But I think Army just teaches you all that, to live in any kind of thing and with, you know, and be happy in that. So anyway, I think now Mr. Bhamri is ready with another number for us. Mr. Bhamri, back to you.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hanji, please.
Yeah.
आवाज कुछ आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है ठीक?
हाँ जी, आ रही है.
ठीक है, वॉल्यूम
आंखों ही आंखों
नजदीक हो जाएगा, यहाँ रखो.
गाते हो गीत क्यों, दिल पे क्यों हाथ है, खोई हो किस लिए, ऐसी क्या बात है, ये हाल कब से तुम्हारा हो गया, आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों ही आंखों में। चलते हो झूम के, बदली है चाल भी, नैनों में रंग है, बिखरे हैं बाल भी, किस दिल रुबा का नजारा हो गया, आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में।
देख रहे हो,
अब ना वो जोर है, अब ना वो शोर है, हमको है सब पता, दिल में जो चोर है, ये चोर कैसे गंवारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में।
बैठे बैठे जीने का सदे गाना गाना।
कैसा ये प्यार है, कैसा ये नाज है, हम भी तो कुछ सुने, हमसे क्या राज है, अच्छा तो ये दिन हमारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों की आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया।
Wow, that was so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you
I
very much.
hope all of you enjoyed that song. It
Yes.
is one of the most popular songs earlier.
It's
Yes. And even,
Devanand's famous picture CID.
in fact, Mr. Bhamri is a big fan of Devanand Saab. So now getting on with my questions, let me reach Mr. Goplani. Mr. Goplani?
I can't sing.
No,
Can you
आपको
hear?
मैं सिंगिंग में, yes, Mr. Goplani, welcome to the show. And मैं आपको गाने के लिए नहीं बोल रही, मैं सिर्फ आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ कि आप भी अपनी दास्तान मोहब्बत सबसे शेयर करें. You know, whether you've had a love marriage or arranged marriage, and how you met Auntie, and how your journey has been. So something that you would like.
Right from the childhood or from time I got married?
Sorry?
You want the journey of my life from childhood or from my
No.
marriage?
We're just talking of Dastane Mohabbat. So we just
Dastane Mohabbat.
Yes,
Okay.
that's the topic that we are having today. That's the topic of the day. So everyone is sharing their Dastane Mohabbat with us. Small memories, small things, you know,
वो कहते दास्तान-ए मोहब्बत. My Dastan-e Mohabbat started way back in 1965 when we were working in the same place.
Oh.
Yes, it was a DRDO, Defense Research and Development Laboratory, where I was a scientist there, and she was working in administration department. So that was way in Khadki. Khadki is a part of Pune.
Yes, I'm aware
In
of
case
it.
you are aware of it.
I'm aware of it. Yes, yes.
We would go up and down in bus at that time. We never had a car or anything like that because our ranks were much lower. And then it went on, and ultimately in 1968 we got married.
Wow.
And now we are here still, same routine life. Nothing exciting about it now.
Okay, let me just ask you, which
Now
is
I'm 81.
I know. So let me just ask you, which is her favorite movie?
Her favorite movie, or my favorite movie?
Her favorite movie.
मैं तुम्हारा favorite movie कौन सी है?
नहीं, उनसे बिना पूछे मैं पूछ रही थी आपसे.
उससे पूछे.
क्या पूछेंगे?
Your favorite movie?
मूवी. ओ मूवी बाग इतने साल हो गए हम लोग के. शोले.
Okay. So which is the first movie that you both saw together?
Of course.
So
दोनों ही जाते हैं तो दोनों ही इकट्ठे जाते हैं.
All right. So आपकी बहुत देर आपकी courtship चली, and then you got married, and now you've been married for how many years is it now?
It's how many years? 51.
My God, wow. So that's really, really wonderful, and we wish you lots of happiness ahead too.
Thank you.
And just for that, I'm going to again request Mr. Bhamri.
Good. Thank you. Good. I'm happy. चलो और करना है. बंद थे कहीं चुप थी हुई है. टीवी ऑन तो बोल दिया बर्थडे तो. चलिए से बंद कर. कुछ आए को ना.
सुनो लो दिल थाम लो ए ज़मीं आसमां ये मोहब्बत की दास्तां सुनो. बस.
थैंक यू सो मच.
2 लाइन.
आपकी आवाज के बिना कोई भी शो पूरा नहीं हो सकता.
अरे यार. थैंक यू.
True. अच्छा. So we are waiting for Mr. Bhamri's song.
भामरी जी, अब आपकी टर्न है, प्लीज कंटिन्यू कीजिए.
आप भामरे अंकल कुछ गा रहे हैं या फिर कुछ सवाल पूछे जाए? आप गा रहे हैं या सवाल पूछे जाए आपसे? बहुत मजेदार सवाल है हमारे पास.
नहीं, हम जरा एक गाना.
चलिए आप कुछ सुनाइए, फिर उसके बाद पूछेंगे.
हाँ. ओ हो हा हा हा. हो हा हा. ये देख के दिल झूमो ले प्यार में अंगड़ाई. आधा हुआ बादल सावन की घटा छाई, ये देख के दिल डूबा, ली प्यार में अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल। बंद कर देंगे, दूसरा गाना चुप हो गया। आ गया ना। ऐसी तो मेरी तकदीर न थी, तुम सा जो कोई महबूब मिले, दिल आज खुशी से पागल है, दिल आज खुशी से पागल है, ए जाने वफा तुम खूब मिले, ए जाने वफा तुम खूब मिले, दिल क्यों न बने पागल, क्या तुमने अदा पाई, ये देख के दिल झूम, ली प्यार ने अंगड़ाई, दीवाना हुआ बादल।
बैठा नहीं करना।
आप ही तो
मैं फिर जाता हूँ कुछ किसी और
पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की, बस एक जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की, बस एक जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। ये दिल लगी ये शौकिया सलाम की, यही तो बात हो रही है काम की, कोई तो मुड़ के देख लेगा इस तरह, कोई नजर तो होगी मेरे नाम की, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बहार की, बस एक जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की, पुकारता चला हूँ मैं। I have mixed two songs together, sir.
Yes, but you sang
Hello.
beautifully and we loved both the songs and we really enjoyed.
So nice of all of you.
So such a pleasure.
Thank you everybody.
No, thank you so much. But हम आपकी मेरी ज़ोहरा ज़बी के बिना तो हम खत्म नहीं कर सकते. But उसके पहले
I'm sitting here, no problem.
बिल्कुल. And उसके पहले सबसे मैंने सवाल कर लिए. एक मोना जी रह गई हैं. तो मोना जी.
उर्मी जी कहाँ है? उर्मी जी कहाँ है?
वो नहीं है.
आ नहीं पाई उर्मी.
I think connectivity issue.
तो जी को बोले गाना गाए.
सुमना जी दास्तान-ए मोहब्बत नहीं सुना रही तो love to hear a song. A nice number from you then.
या नाम बताओ, तुम बताओ कौन सा? प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थे।
ओके, तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई।
अच्छा, तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, मेरा तुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू या जाने ना, ओ माने तू या माने ना। बस।
Beautiful. That was so lovely. So beautiful. Thank you so much.
चलो दिलदार चलो, चांद के पार चलो, हम हैं तैयार चलो, चलो दिलदार चलो, चांद के पार चलो, हम हैं तैयार चलो।
Wow. Thank you so much for singing these lovely, lovely songs. And what a beautiful voice you have. And
Thank
I
you.
think next time we will hear whole full songs from you. Right?
अच्छा,
And I think anybody else who would like to share their Dastan-e Mohabbat. I think I have with me Mr. and Mrs. Mahesh Sharma also. I don't know if they can hear me. So I think there's some connectivity issue with them. So, so before we end this show, I will request Mr. Bhamri to give us his favorite number, which he always sings for his wife. And
क्या नाम रितु जी?
हाँ जी।
ये कह रही है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए रखो ना, फिर कोई स्टॉक नहीं रहेगा। आप संजय जी को बोलो ना, संजय जी गाते हैं।
मैं एज अ ऋतु मैम यूथ ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि ये जनरेशन जो है हमसे पिछली, ये हमें क्या एडवाइस करना चाहेंगी लव के रिगार्डिंग, रिलेशनशिप्स के रिगार्डिंग, जो हम अपनी लाइफ में फॉलो कर सकें?
एग्जैक्टली, मुझे भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछना था कि हमारी जो जनरेशन है, सीनियर जनरेशन, हमें क्या एडवाइस देंगी?
Okay, that's a very relevant question. And ये जो हमारे छोटे बच्चे हैं, youngsters, मेरे लिए भी ये बच्चे जैसे ही हैं. So their question is, what advice would you like to give to them? Because lifestyles are different, the times have changed. You know, आप लोगों की जनरेशन अलग थी, मेरी जनरेशन ऑलमोस्ट आप लोगों जैसी थी, बट इनकी एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट टाइप का है. तो आप क्या इनको एडवाइस करना चाहेंगे? Anybody, what would you like to advise them?
हाँ बोलो संजय जी।
मैं क्या जोरू के गुलाम बने रखो।
But I, Colonel Puri, I don't agree with this because आजकल के सब लड़के जोरू के गुलाम ही होते हैं. ये पहले जमाने में ही नहीं था ये. But today's generation boys are really very, very sensitive and very caring. So
मतलब शादी एडवाइसेबल है या रहने दी जाए?
एक्चुअली शादी के बिना तो लाइफ नहीं है बिल्कुल. शादी यू मस्ट.
अब शादी करो और गुलाम भी बने रहो. वाह.
घर में ना सिर्फ एक जने को थोड़ी सी पावर देकर रखो, एक शेर नहीं रहनी चाहिए बाकी.
आपने तो डरा ही दिया. अब क्या करें?
Colonel Puri, I should have made you meet my husband then. But no, I think life is very beautiful.
And I think Sanjay has some point. Ritu?
Okay, sorry, Mr. Sanjay, sorry.
Oh.
Hanji. We can't hear you. Your phone is on mute. आपका म्यूट पे है ये, अगर आप इसको अनम्यूट कर दें मिस्टर चौधरी।
I think now I am audible.
Yes, yes.
मेरा सिर्फ एक ही सजेशन था जो मेरे पिताजी ने मेरी वाइफ को दिया था शादी से पहले. That was one कि भाई देखो ऐसा है ना, इन मैरिड लाइफ ऑलवेज हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ होते रहता है. तो यू शुड बी द ओनली फर्स्ट पर्सन जो सुबह में सबसे पहले तुम चाय विद अ स्माइल लेके जाओगे, चाहे जो कुछ भी हुआ था कल. Yesterday was a past, it was a history. A new morning should start. And the other one, मुझे उन्होंने यही बताया था कि तुमको तो खैर एकदम भूल जाना है, और मेरी वाइफ को उन्होंने स्पेशली बोला था कुछ भी हो तुम सुबह में स्माइलिंग फेस के साथ में चाय खुद से लेकर के जाओगी. एंड दैट हैपेंस टिल नाउ. अभी तक भी वही होता है, जब खास करके जिस दिन कुछ होता है तो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग शी कम्स स्पेशली फॉर दैट. तो और वो पापा का हमेशा याद भी दिलाती है हमारे को. तो देन एवरीथिंग गेट्स सेटल्ड. दैट शुड बी वन कोड एट लीस्ट. एंड एट द सेम टाइम मेरे पिताजी हमेशा बोलते थे अपनी वाइफ को हमेशा लक्ष्मी ट्रीट करोगे तो कभी लॉस में नहीं रहोगे.
हम बोले, कैन आई स्पीक?
बहुत
जी आंटी जी, जी
प्लीज कैन आई स्पीक?
जी आंटी जी.
हाँ, मेरे फादर इन लॉ ने मुझे समझाया था या तो किसी को अपना बना लो या किसी के हो जाओ.
वाह,
so nice.
Wow.
Really nice.
तो भाई हम अपना नहीं बना पाए, हम हो गए.
So nice.
I think ये generation ऐसी थी where the wives would really do so much, and like you said, cup of tea was always there with a big smile no matter what had happened. And I think we all need to forget the arguments and fights which is bound to happen and look forward to the next day. And ये दास्तान मोहब्बत सबकी चलती रहे. And चाहे whatever the beautiful memories that have been made. हाँ जी.
Should I sing a song जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात करेंगे?
Sure, we'll end with that. So that is a beautiful song. So
I'll do that right away.
This is the last number that we have for today, and we will end with Mr. Sanjay's song. And ये दास्तान मोहब्बत बिल्कुल हम सबकी चलती रहे. And मैं एक बार और मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगी, हाँ जी, मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगी कि though we have talked about spouses and our relationships, I will say दास्तान मोहब्बत सिर्फ spouse से नहीं, हम सब एक दूसरे के साथ है. And today Imoha has this दास्तान मोहब्बत for our elders, and that मोहब्बत that we get from you is really very precious to us, and we are blessed to have you all
Thank
with
you
us.
so much.
Thank you so much, all of you, for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, and here we have Mr. Sanjay with his song now.
इसको नहीं पता ना कैसा है। गाना ऐसा ही
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Chaudhary. That was
Thank you so much.
a beautiful, beautiful song. And with this, we come to the end of our show. And it was a pleasure to have you all here. And ये जो दास्तान मोहब्बत है ये चलती रहे. So bye-bye, good night, be safe. See you all tomorrow at 8 o'clock with our physiotherapist, and 11 o'clock for a doctor's talk, and 4 o'clock we have a dialogue coming in, and 6 o'clock I join you all again. So
Bye, Sanjay. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you all
Good night,
so much.
everyone.
Thank
And
you all
thank you
so
everyone
much.
for being here.
Bye, everybody.
Enjoy life. Be safe.